Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Andrea. I am a part-time reseller. I resell on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, Citizen, and Tradesy. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. It's free and it will help my channel grow. And if you're not new here, thank you so much for coming back. Today I'm going to show you my sales for the weekend starting Friday afternoon. I've had 1 Mercari sale, 6 eBay sales, and 5 Poshmark sales. I'm going to show you first my Mercari sale. I sold these Saucony sneakers. I sold them for $27. Buyer pays for shipping, and I bought them for $4.99. Now I'm gonna show you my eBay sales. I sold this Express dress pants. I had them listed for $19.99, and I had a watcher, so I sent them an offer of $12.99. I paid $1 for this pair of pants a long time ago. As you can see, I made a mistake here. This pants sold for full price of $19.99. I did send an offer, but somebody else came and bought it at full price. And it sold in less than a month. I also sold this pair of Lucky brand jeans, and I usually buy jeans like that for $2.50, and I expect to get $20 for it, which is what I got. I had this pair listed for $29.99, and I sent an offer of $19.99 because this is my strategy. I price it higher than I would like to get, so when I have a watcher, I send a very good offer. This way I think I make faster sales. I'm expecting to get 20, and that's what I offer the buyer. I'm sure because this is a plus size I could get more for it, but I like faster sales. I have 2 sales that surprised me because they sold very fast, and those are things that I normally wouldn't pick up. I sold this jacket by Chico's. It's a blue boucle jacket. I listed it for $29.99, and I sent an offer of $19.99, and the buyer accepted it. The other sale that surprised me was this jacket by Ink. I wouldn't normally pick it up. I picked it up because I wanted it for myself, but it was a petite size, so it was a little bit short. The sleeves were short. So I listed it for $29.99, and I sent an offer of $19.99, and the buyer accepted it. So it was a very fast flip as well. The next sale is a retail arbitrage. Every year TJ Maxx and Marshalls have their yellow tag clearance, and I usually shop their clearance to resell. They usually happen in August and February. So February this year, I bought some items to resell. So I sold this pair of cashmere gloves. I bought this for $4, and I sold it for $29.99. The last sale on eBay were these UGG boots that I picked up at the bins in New Hampshire, and the buyer offered me $41. I think they wanted to be under $50 because with shipping, that's exactly what it was, 49 something. And all of my sales on eBay, the buyer pays for shipping. Now I'm going to show you my Poshmark sales. The first one is not a very exciting sale, but I take any sale I can get. I got these 2 pajamas for free from somebody from Facebook Marketplace, and I've been selling a lot of the clothes that I got from this lady who lives near my house. She gave me basically a lot of clothes from her daughter, her 5-year-old. What I do with children's clothes is I bundle same size items of these, lower end brands like Carter's, H&M, Cat and Jack, items like that. So I make a bundle to make it worth it for the buyer to pay $7.11 for shipping. So I had these 2 pajamas. One of them is brand new and the other one is used, and I bundled them up and I listed them for $18, and the buyers offered me $14, and I accepted it. This is also a retail arbitrage. It's a Show Me Your Miu Miu t-shirt. I paid $4 for it. I will remove this tag before I send it out, of course, but the buyer offered me $20 for it, and I countered. I left a message saying, could you meet me at $25? It was also closet clear out, so I offered to drop the price and they would get a discounted shipping, so they would only pay $2.88 more of their than their original offer, and she said yes. So I dropped the price to $25, and I sold this. It says Presents and Chill, and I think it's gonna be awesome to wear lounging around for Christmas, to open presents. And I have one more if you're interested. Yesterday was closet clear out, so I was sending messages to likers asking them if they would be interested in purchasing something for X amount. So somebody liked this sweater from Urban Outfitters, and I sent them a message. But because I want sweaters to be gone, I offered to drop the price to $19, and the liker said yes, and I dropped the price and sold it for $19. I also ran a sale for Thanksgiving. I usually don't because they are not very successful, and same thing happened this year. I made a sign and I posted on my Poshmark account. The sale was, if you bundle 2+ items, you get 50% off your bundle price. So I only got one sale. It was for Thanksgiving and Black Friday. This lady bundled these 2 American Eagle jeggings. They're both size 12. And I sent them an offer of $28 on both of them. I paid $2.50 for each, so that's still a good margin there. And the last sale is my most exciting sale. I sold this Marimekko coat. If you're not familiar with Marimekko, you should be, because it's a very expensive brand, not very easy to find. I've only sold it once before, but I sold it for $79. It was a small backpack that I found at Goodwill for $4.99. And this coat, I knew it was going to do well. It was also a coat that Sarah Jessica Parker loved. There are many pictures of her wearing it. It retailed for almost $500, and I listed it at $200. And somebody offered me $150, and I accepted it, of course, and I paid up for it. I paid $40 for it, but that's still a great profit. So that's it for my sales, everybody. If you like videos like that, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye-bye.